Call them dogs, pooches, or even hounds. They are still man's best friend yet. But dog keepers in Nairobi will soon have to rethink the option of having these animals as companions. Under the Nairobi County Dogs Control and Welfare Act 2016, no person will be allowed to keep a dog or dogs unless they are licensed and their animals tagged at all times. A dog license and identification tag will be acquired at a total cost of 3,000 shillings. Under the law, no bitch and hit should be left in public in a manner that will attract a male dog. Mating will only happen if both keepers have agreed on the same for the purpose of breeding, something that animal experts are opposed to.
Signs of heat, naturally the dog will bark, the dog will be running away, and the males, they also, when a male smells or spots a dog on heat, they will definitely run so that they can mate the dog. So how will you control that person's dog not to mate yours? The person is okay, can put their dog under custody. However, suppose you let your dog to just roam about and then the neighbor's dog is on heat and then the dogs run towards that. How will you be able to control that?
It is also unlawful for one to keep a dog whose barking, yelping or whining constitutes a public nuisance, a provision that Jane Gilchrist of the Kenya Society for the Protection and Care of Animals says is somewhat unreasonable.
People get dogs from us because they want something to alert. Mostly they don't get dogs just to be an ornament in the garden or a pet. They want a dog that can alert them if there's a problem.
Sheria itakuwa vigumu kwa sababu mba akiwa kwa boma, mtu ajaribu kupita nje ama ajaribu kugusa gate, lazima apweke. Aambie mwenyewe kuna mtu nje.
Dogs will only be allowed in public places if they are on a leash, but if they have attributes like charging in vehicles, animals, poultry or people outside the premises where they are kept, then having them will be deemed illegal.
And in fact today somebody brought back a dog that we'd given him and said, this dog doesn't bark, I don't want him.
Lakini mambo ya kujenga shelter si njia mzuri ya kumfungia umbwa. Ni kama hata wewe mwenyewe huwezi kupenda ufungiwe. Naona.
The law also seeks to improve dog welfare, with keepers prohibited from leaving their animals unattended, unsheltered or even without food and water. The freedom of animals, the new city law says, must be upheld. Even then, experts say the law should be kept on hold to give room for more stakeholder consultation.
So that we can be able to come up with an act that is more inclusive, that is implementable. Otherwise, we will see issues again and again and challenges. They will not be able to effectively implement this.
The law, for all its intents and purposes, bites as much as it backs its warnings. Patrick, a Gunza citizen, live at 1.